ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
U Vice President Jongkari India, U Venkaiah Naidu, U Balawan Yuk Kejat Hanong Bak Shillong Haka Sautarik U Benai Risau Arajar Arpuai Ban Plie Yau Mau Nong Rim Naka Benta Ban Shina Penhe Ya Ka Surok Ka Ba Peniasok Ya Ka Nong Bak Shillong Haduk Ka Shinong Dauki Ula ong ba kidang buon belai ki project ki badang day ban pendep kenang ban kentiu ya ka roy ka par jong ka jela Meghalaya. Yau ni umau nong rim, unaidu ula pli ha ka jing yalang ka balalong ha State Convention Center Shillong, ha ka bala sakhi lang da ulat ka jela u Satya Pal Malik, u menteri rangba ka jela u Konrad Kongkal Sangma, u sembut menteri rangba u ba Preston Tensong bat ki kenrem kilendan. Unaidu lapan pauru ya ke jing sngau kemen baka sorkar jela kalala ban penkut ya ki kam leno hapok kane ke jela Meghalaya bat ha ke jo por ula ongru ba ke jing penkut ya ki kam leno kadai tang da ke jing khot ya kren ya ki kenhon king atiar khnang baki nong shong snong kindup sakhi biang ya ke shong suk shong san bat ba ki kam penroi kinang yai telun na ka wei kapor syaka wei pat kapor hapok kane ke jela Meghalaya.
Outlay of 3,031 crore is a major contribution for the development of the road infrastructure in the country as well as the state of Meghalaya. The Shillong-Dauki road is one of the main highways in the state of Meghalaya, providing connectivity and access to northeastern states via the state of Assam and to the neighboring country of Bangladesh. The road is starting from state capital, passes through a number of townships and villages along the way and reaches up to Dauki, an international trade point, and is an important link for the tourism, trade and commerce of the region and opening the doors of international trade with the neighboring country Bangladesh.
I am really very happy to be with you today to lay the foundation stone for the upgradation of the national highway from Shillong to Dauki. It gives me immense pleasure to visit this magical land of Meghalaya on my tour of the Northeast, endued with a spectacular natural beauty and a rich cultural diversity. Meghalaya has always played a key role in our national development. My warm greetings to the people of the state on this occasion. And this being executed, as was explained, with assistance from Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA. It is expected to provide better connectivity in the region and provide a key link within the Northeast region as well as with our friendly neighbor, Bangladesh. This road will also give a fillip to the tourism industry in the state and help in the overall development of Meghalaya. Yes, connecting to Chittagong port, making it easy to travel, will definitely increase trade and commerce manifold. I am also aware that many other projects such as the two-laning of Tura-Dalu section, two-laning of the Ranikot, Maheshpura, Baghamara section, among others, are being planned and implemented in the state in addition to the Shillong Western Bypass, which is at the planning stage. We have also heard just now the Honorable Minister of Road Transport, Nitin Gadkari, is favorably considering many of the other projects of the state of Meghalaya. And he was mentioning about the initiative taken by the Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Konrad Sangma, of bringing the need to have greater connectivity in this region, and the Government of India positively accepting this, many of these sessions will definitely take the state towards the momentum for progress. SARDP Northeast and the Bharatmala Pariyojana. I am told about 3,850 kilometers have been already awarded and 2,850 kilometers completed under SARDP Northeast and the Bharatmala Pariyojana. 2,180 kilometers, 18 kilometers have been awarded and 4,541 kilometers have been completed so far. Gained the momentum and it's moving forward. Once all these projects are completed, I can assuring you that India will be joining the top developed nations of the world. So it is our duty to see that these projects, for which huge funds are given from Delhi, they are completed at the earliest. The duty is cast upon the local administration, the state governments, and the executive agencies to see that there is no delay, that there is no diversion in any of these programs. Because, as I told you, Centre is providing a lot of funds and also organizing funds for development of northeastern states. These states together have the potential to become growth engines of the country. Digital technology can be a force multiplier in direct and timely transfer of the benefits. Reaching out the people. Delivery mechanism. They are very important along with connectivity. We must all work as a team India, then only the progress will be accelerated. I suggest for the proper development of the northeastern states, you need peace. Peace is the prerequisite for progress. I am happy that the insurgency is coming to an end. There is every need to put down the insurgency, to have a dialogue with these groups and see to it that they give up arms, join the peace process. Because what is required is the peace, which is the prerequisite for progress of the people. Progress of the people, all-round development of the people, education, health, employment opportunities, connectivity. These are all very vital to the people of Northeast because of the fear of the gun, because of insurgency, because of blockades, because so many things were obstructed. This project is not only prestigious, as it was explained, it's very, very useful. The other projects which have been mentioned, they should also be accelerated. In order to enhance the connectivity in Northeast states, the government have been implementing several programs. I don't want to enunciate all of them now and take your time. But my stress is expedite, execute, perform better, improve the living conditions of the people. Because the connectivity is a catalyst for development of economic growth of the people. A good road network is crucial to enhance the commerce and trade, ease the transportation of goods and services, and promote interstate connectivity. Roads are thus the lifeline of any modern economy. One of the persistent issues with the roads in this topography is their continued maintenance. This should be given due priority by governments and local authorities along with the road extension and widening.
The land of crystal clear rivers, beautiful plateaus, tumbling waterfalls and dense forests. True to the meaning of its name in Sanskrit, Meghalaya is one of the most beautiful abode of clouds in the world. Its primary subtropical forests are considered to be among the richest botanical habitats of Asia. The road Shillong-Dalkey is one of the main road axes connecting Meghalaya and other parts of northeastern region to the neighbouring country Bangladesh. This road passes through numbers of townships and villages in addition to Shillong. Presently, the most parts of the capital city and nearby areas, especially Shillong to Upper Shillong and Dalkey town, up to international border. has been witnessing a heavy traffic congestion on daily basis. With the foundation stone laid for improvement combining of 64.21 km stretches on Shillong-Dawki Road section of the National Highway 40.